What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade that I called out on GBP USD earlier this morning. This was a 10-minute binary options call. This was also a signal that I called for my students on our live sessions. Now, if you find anything helpful in this video at all, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. You'll get notified when I post new videos, and it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and spreads my videos around to people who could need them. Now, if we look into the past, we can see very easily that we were in a downtrend. You can see right here, prices trending down, very easy to identify. So if you're not looking for sells, the next best option that you can do is start looking for price structure breaks, which is something that I personally love to trade. It's one of my favorite things. So we can see right here that price structure does change. It confirms that we're no longer in a downtrend, and you can see how price starts moving up. But also you can see if we take a little bit more of a closer look, we can identify that we have an inverted head and shoulders right here. We have our left shoulder here, we have our head right here, and we have our right shoulder right where this structure break retest is. So when we take that into account, the next thing that we're looking for is also the neckline retest. So if we look into the past, we can see that the we can see that the left shoulder is made here and the right shoulder is made right here. And if we drag a box across this into the future, we can see that not only is this a neckline, but it's also very well respected on both sides of the market. You can see right here that it's respected as a support, right here as a resistance, right here as a resistance, and then over here again as a support very many times, confirming that this is a very strong level that has a high chance that a reversal could happen there. Also because it's the neckline of a reversal pattern in the first place. So we could have taken our trade right here, but honestly, price really didn't push far enough away from this level for me to consider it a retest. So once price did actually push away from the level, we simply just waited for price to come back down, and then we started looking at the price action right here when price reached this level. So we can see that price slammed into this level pretty hard and then instantly came right back up, which was my first signal that price most likely was going to reverse. Then we can see with this candle right here that the sellers are starting to lose control because they can no longer push price down. And then you can see with the next couple candles, it confirms that the sellers are no longer in control and that the buyers are. So as soon as this candle closed, we went ahead and took our 10-minute binary options call, and our trade closed up here. And if we keep looking into the future, you can see how price has just continued to move its way up since then. So this was a really easy trade, just identifying structure change, looking at the reversal pattern itself, and then identifying the neckline and waiting for price to confirm that it was going to reverse off of this level right here. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And like I said before, if you find anything about this video helpful, just hit that like and subscribe button so you'll get notified when I post new videos. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.